Good morning, everyone! Good morning, Miki! The sun today is as beautiful as the skin of a freshly picked gala.
Kiko, Zuzu, Pip! Today is the big day. The official harvest begins. We must ensure every apple finds its perfect home.
Apples, apples, apples!
Order, Pip! Our mission is to harvest, not eat everything before we can box it. This one is slightly green, Miki. Needs another day of sun.
Worm! Worm! Pip spots worm!
Remember, no one goes near the royal orchard until the scheduled day. Pip, why are you standing still?
Your job is pest inspection.
No, Pip. That is the royal orchard.
Pip broke the fruit.
Pip, why did you go in there?
I apologize, Miki. The apple. It called me. Miki.
It was my fault. I failed to supervise this area closely enough. If we eat this now, it's damaged goods and ruins the harvest record. We have to hide it or wait.
Don't hide it. Enjoy it. Look over there.
Impossible! Someone was here before Pip? Miki, look here. A strange footprint. Not a chicken, not your shoe. We must find the culprit. No one eats from the royal orchard until we know who is stealing our best apples.
I will use my mimicry skills to lure him out.
I will take the high ground for overall observation.
He was fast, Miki.
And he only went for the ripest ones. A true connoisseur.
Miki. Miki.
I found something. This isn't from the farmhand's clothes. This looks professional. Zuzu. I see movement near the old bog. Miki, dear, do you need help picking apples?
Is everything ready for the harvest shipment?
I guarantee my apples are the best. I am not selling to anyone else.
Who's there? Is that Miki?
Reginald!
What are you doing here?
You've been stealing my apples!
No, it wasn't me eating them. I was just quality checking.
Oh my goodness, this scent! I must have it! I will sell it for double the price! How? Go with thing.
How do you know that?
We are not just birds, Reginald. We are Miki's friends, and we protect this farm. You damned this. This apple represents care. You cannot just take that care away and expect to walk free. You will not sell this, but you will eat it. Then you will help us harvest the rest of the crop. You will...
I agree. I will work. I apologize, Miki.
Hand up, Reginald. Right hand grips the stem. Slowly.
Slow and steady, Reginald. You can do this. Just a little higher.
Acceptable, Reginald. Beginner. For a beginner. This is for everyone. A reward for a job well done.
For you, Kiko.
Magnificent! It tastes like a rainbow and honey.
So good! So good!
I never understood what true flavor meant until now.
Time for the next adventure.
Make sure the Fuji are on top, Reginald. They bruise easiest.
I'll see you next week for the final inventory, Miki.
Thank you.
fine.
Indeed, Miki. Theft is but a sour worm in the rosy cheek of commerce. Honesty, however, ripens perfectly under the sun.
His approach vector was flawed from the start, Miki. Predictable.
His delivery man voice lacked conviction. Amateurish. Bad.
Apple?
Apple?
It's hard when someone betrays trust, but sometimes the hardest lessons lead to the sweetest fruit. Three paces left, Miki. Granny Smith, cluster ahead.
By the plumes of my ancestors, we have survived the White Void. A true test of navigation.
Morning! Morning, Miki. Ready to start work.
Honestly, the quality control here is slipping. You missed a spot right there. Get that dust, bunny.
All right, team. We need to focus on the lower branches for pruning before the frost hits.
And the mulch?
We'll spread that afterwards. Let's get to it. See this branch right here? You want to cut it clean at the collar to make way for new growth next season.
Go on, give it a try.
Too shallow. Perfect angle.
You're doing wonderfully, Reginald. Keep that posture straight.
I really can't remember the last time I felt this relaxed at lunch.
The farm has a way of doing that to you. Plus, the company isn't bad either.
Miki, about the royal orchard. What makes those apples so unique?
First, we graft the cuttings here like this. Then, for the soil enrichment, we need to balance the nutrients deep down.
Legend says the cosmic nectar was watered by the tears of a fallen star.
It was cross-pollinated with a specific heirloom pair in 1998, Kiko.
Do the macaws, do they enjoy being preened?
I don't want to startle Kiko. See? Nice and slow like this. He loves it when you get the base of the wings.
They truly are a family.
I can't believe you did that for me. Thank you, my friends.
Remember the pruning angles tomorrow, Reginald. We observe all. Good night, my feathered protectors. Sleep well. The perimeter was secure, Miki. Not a single rogue squirrel dared approach. A triumph of vigilance. Welcome back, Reginald. Let's get those crates stacked. Just look at them. I can already picture the blossoms. It's going to be the best spring this orchard has ever seen. The royal orchard will be safer than a vault, Miki. We swear it.